Hey everyone, and happy socially distanced Easter. Uh, Welcome to the COVID cocktail hour. I'm gonna make a Easter basket cocktail. All right, so what I've got here is some vanilla vodka. Toss a couple shots in there because I'm gonna make two of these. One for me and one for Dixie, of course. And I've got some of this chocolate liquor. I'm gonna go ahead and toss that in there. All right. Then I've got some of this Blue Curacao, if that's how you say it, I don't know. But I'm really only putting this in there for solely just for the coloring. So if you've got food coloring or something, you could just use that instead, or I don't know, some blue jello mix or something. So I'm not gonna put a whole lot in there, just enough to make it blue. All right. Pick that up. All right. Now, I've made up the Easter basket cocktails here, as you can see. And what I've done is I've put some of this edible grass, took that, threw it in the cups, and then I put some jelly beans right on top there. This grass isn't really sweet or anything. I think it's made from like potato starch or something like that, but since it's edible, I figured I could go ahead and throw it in a drink. All right, I'm just gonna pour this in here. All right, then you can see that. And then for the final touch, I'll take and toss a peep right on top. Now, you've got a cocktail here with a peep right on the top. So you lift the peep off, and then you've got the legs underneath it. And that's our Easter basket cocktail. And it tastes pretty good. It's kind of reminiscent of if you ever got that chocolate ball that had the wedges on it, but it was orange flavored. It was like orange chocolate. Kind of gives you a throwback to that. If you do make one of these, I don't recommend eating the grass after you drink it, but you know, that's on you. It just doesn't taste that good to me, but it doesn't really affect the flavor of the drink either. So anyway, happy Easter to all of you, and I hope even with it being socially distanced and everything else, you're still able to enjoy it.